Hey guys, happy Sunday. I'm here to tell you a little bit about Colgate toothpaste. This is Colgate Total Whitening. So usually I use like a regular whitening toothpaste half the week, and then I'll use a more sensitive toothpaste the other half of the week. I'm always down to try something new. Colgate's been around for a long time. I've tried many of their toothpastes. They started, I think, remember they came out with just the regular Total, and now this is the Total with whitening. So I was definitely really interested in trying it. Colgate Total with whitening helps remove and prevent stains. This is ADA accepted, net weight 4.2 ounces or 119 grams. ADA is American Dental Association. So this is an anti-cavity fluoride and anti-gingivitis toothpaste. Helps with cavities, plaque, gingivitis, enamel, tartar, breath, and it whitens. So usually I do use something that's like specifically just whitening, but like a whitening toothpaste, but this is like for whitening toothpaste plus other things as well. So flip to the back. Because I feel like whitening toothpaste usually make my teeth super sensitive. This one doesn't make my teeth as sensitive as some toothpaste that are just specifically whitening only. So the active ingredients in this are sodium fluoride 0.24% or 0.14% with fluoride ion. The purpose is anti-cavity. Another active ingredient, triclosan, 0.30%, that is for anti-gingivitis. Uses aids in the prevention of cavities, plaque, and gingivitis. Warnings, keep out of reach of children under 6 years of age. If more than used for brushing is accidentally swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Ask a dentist before use if you have bleeding or redness lasting more than 2 weeks, pain, swelling, pus, loose teeth, or more spacing between teeth. These may be signs of periodontitis, a serious form of gum disease. Directions: supervise children as necessary until capable of using without supervision. Adults and children 6 years of age and older brush teeth thoroughly, preferably after each meal or at least twice a day, or as directed by a dentist or a physician. Children under 12 years, instruct in good brushing and rinsing habits to minimize swallowing. Children under 6 years do not use unless directed by a dentist or a physician. Anti-plaque and anti-gingivitis use not proven in children. Distributed by Colgate-Palmolive Company in New York, 10022. Questions or comments, you could call the toll-free number or visit www.colgatetotal.com. Then it has the inactive ingredients listed, which are water, hydrated silica, glycerin, sorbitol, PVMMA, copolymer, sodium lauryl sulfate, cellulose gum, flavor, sodium hydroxide, carrageenan, propylene glycol, sodium saccharin, titanium dioxide. ADA accepted, American Dental Association, the ADA Council of Scientific Affairs acceptance of Colgate Total Whitening Toothpaste is based on its finding that the product is effective in helping to prevent and reduce tooth decay, gingivitis, and plaque above the gum line, and bad breath, and to whiten teeth by removing surface stains when used as directed. So I also really like that this toothpaste just stands up straight here, so you don't have to worry about regular tubes. You just, they have the little core top. This actually stands up nice, and I think that just makes it easier to go from the top down when it comes to pushing down the toothpaste. It's a plastic container, it says Colgate on it. Super easy to open up, and it's a nice thick white paste. So you just really need a pea-sized amount. And I just brush. I start brushing from the gum line to the back of my mouth, and then I always make sure I get my tongue, because that's where a lot of bad breath and odors can come from. A lot of times I'm just not home during the day. I try to brush 3 times a day if I can, but sometimes if I'm not home, it's just in the morning and at night. Unfortunately, just don't get a chance to be home to brush. So in between, I'll just do bring mouthwash with me and gum. But I have to say, if I don't brush my teeth all day, this keeps my mouth super fresh. So no complaints there. And just can put it on my countertop. Fits nice and easy there. So guys, this was Colgate Total with Whitening Toothpaste. I hope you guys try it out. I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.